guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mishana and I am a natural hair content creator. If you missed part 1, go ahead and check it out. And today we are going to do for June. I am so excited to open this box up because it's a brand that I wanted to try, and that's the good thing about CURLBOX. You never know what brand you will be getting. So, well, I mean, they tell you after the order is placed, you know, a few days later they tell you exactly what you will be getting, and that is something I really love because they never disappoint. So let's open for June. So in case you're wondering why I haven't opened these boxes, I had a lot going on. I had a lot of collaborations with different brands, and also don't mind the boxes. I also moved and everything was packed on each other. Okay, so this is June's box. This is the Maui Moisture Hair Styling line. Okay, the first one is the elongating gel frizz-free shea butter for dry damaged hair, and it says that it is made with 100% aloe vera. Okay, this definitely looks promising. Alright, so let's see. Okay, it's actually sealed. So I'm going to smell that shortly. And then this is the castor and neem oil conditioner. I think that one is sealed as well. This is the shampoo to go with it. Oh wow, I think there's a little mess there, so maybe something, yeah, some of the shampoo actually leaked out. And this is their curl oil gel from the same castor and neem oil. This is the leave-in conditioning mist. I love gel. I don't know about you, but for styling hairs, I love gel. So I'm going to open this up. Wow, this actually smells really good. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a clear liquid. It's made with aloe vera as the first ingredient. And you know, aloe vera has so many benefits, so this is definitely something I can't wait to try. And I'm hoping it doesn't actually leave any flakes too, because you know some gels actually do that. But the shampoo, it says it's for damaged and transitioning curls. It also strengthens, hydrates, and renew. It has nourishing castor oil, shea neem oil, refreshing peppermint oil. Peppermint also have a lot of benefits too, just like aloe vera. So this is something I cannot wait to try. And it also says that it has aloe vera. So this is definitely some unique blending of ingredients here. This is like a moisturizing conditioner, just like the shampoo. And it's also infused with pure coconut water. So that's something that got me, and I can't wait to try this. Now this is the curl oil gel. Same thing for damaged transitioning curls. Maui Moisture Vegan hair care starts with aloe vera. I mean, like, this is something. This actually fell on my laptop screen and it didn't do any damage, but I was like so shocked. This is the leave-in conditioning mist, and well, obviously you spray it on the hair. Okay. It's not giving me much of a oily feeling. It's giving me more of a watery feeling, but let me not judge it as yet. We still have to try it and see if it actually gives that moisture. Are all the products that came in June 2022 CURLBOX. The Maui Moisture Hair Styling line, and also the Maui Moisture Hair Care line. So again, I paid $30 for this box including shipping, and I got 5 full-size products. I will be showing you how I use these products, the results I got. Stay tuned next week for that video. Thank you again guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video.